Hello class and welcome to Group 6's presentation on aircraft spruce, specialty and companies globalization in the Philippines. Group 6 consists of Stephen, Victor, Natalie, Brandon, Catherine, and myself. Okay, let's take a look at slide number 2 here. The first question we need to ask is how can aircraft spruce specialty and company strategically globalize in the Philippines? To answer that question, we first need to start off with a little background about our company. Aircraft Spruce Specialty and Company started as a small business supplying aircraft lumber. With the help of the co-founders Bob and Flo Irwin, the company quickly grew and they started supplying almost any type of airplane supply that any pilot or airplane builder would need. Okay, so let's take a look at slide number 3 for the Sheeny framework. There's a plethora of local vendors who are willing to lend backhand support to our company. The Philippines is also projected to have 0.57% share of the GDP by 2022. The industry also contributes 2,200 in direct employment opportunities. The Philippines also has a very highly trained labor force and specific training requirements to support key segments of the globalization process for our company. In return, our company will help contribute to the economic growth and help with a positive impact on society by inspiring aero engineers to build and develop more equipment. Our target nation is expected to continue to grow and thrive in the aerospace industry. Okay, slide number 4. Why the Philippines makes sense as a target nation. You'll take a look at this quick 2-minute video to show growth and innovation in the aerospace industry in the Philippines.
In order to expand operations and broaden aircraft spruce and specialty companies' market, the company has considered a potential partnership with Jamco Philippines Inc. Initially created as a joint venture between Jamco America and Jamco Corporation in 2011, Jamco Philippines has secured its presence as a major player in the Philippines aerospace industry by specializing in the manufacturing of commercial aircraft interior products, along with assisting in assembling parts for Jamco Corporation and Jamco America. Some of the benefits of this potential partnership would include Jamco's increased brand presence in the Philippines due to its specialized products, a linkage with numerous global investors who support the growth of the Philippine aerospace industry and firms, Jamco's strategic locations within Clark Air Base and Clark International Airport, Jamco's partnership with the local government due to expansion efforts to make the Philippines the main Asian aerospace hub, an extensive recruitment pool of engineer graduates from top institutions, and increased opportunities of growth influenced by economic factors, a skilled workforce, and expansion projects to increase flight routes, aerospace manufacturing locations, and new aircrafts.
Melchers is a borderless group that offers spectrum of services and trading expertise in diverse areas of business with a network of 50 plus subsidiaries. Melchers Philippines is involved in a wide range of trading in industrial machinery, industrial materials, road construction and mining equipment, printing consumables, inkjet coaters, and consumables with a division specializing in aviation products. The partnership can help create a cost advantage by performing activities in its value chain at a fraction of the cost than its lead competitors, thus enabling Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. to undercut the competition and offer greater value to its customers through flexible pricing models. It can also help create a cost leadership advantage by making investments that improve the cost structure of its value chain. The overall goal would be to sustain a competitive edge over local and international competitors. By partnering with this innovative company, they will be able to provide innovative products that are tailored to their customers' dynamic needs rapidly and cost efficiently. Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. can quickly gain access to the Filipino and Greater Asian markets by leveraging their partnerships together. This can increase profitability for Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. This strategic and beneficial partnership can create an opportunity with Melchers Philippines Aviation Division to revolutionize its business strategy. They will increase brand awareness not only in the U.S. market but the Filipino market and globally too, while strategically optimizing their long-term profitability model and reducing costs without compromising their triple bottom line.
Through our partnership with Jamco and Melchers, we will gain access to strategically important geographic locations in the Philippines, as the Asian market is one of the fastest growing markets for aviation supplies and equipment. This partnership will position us with available resources that will complement our existing supply channels.
In identifying profiting opportunities for Spruce, a fourth partnership opportunity would be a major advantage for them in the Philippines, and this can be accomplished by partnering with Bombardier Incorporated. They are a global supplier that have been in the area for many years, and they're based out of Canada. Because they've been there for so long, they already have very well-developed facilities at Cebu City and Pasig City. And they would also grant Spruce access to extensive engineering assets so that they can develop new products for customers in the area. Additionally, they have a strong presence in other areas of transportation that would allow Spruce to begin development of new markets such as railways and shipping.
We will utilize a 9M model as the basis for our partnership with our Philippine partners. Jamco will provide us with an important resource in the manpower area through its ability to attract top talent at relatively low cost. It will also be an important partner in the marketing areas as it is a direct to customer marketing approach is appropriate for some of the high value items inherent in the industry. All Philippine partnerships will encourage future business opportunities, motivating other possible partners to engage with us either as customers, partners, or both. Merger large umbrella of over 50 subsidiaries will increase the share of resources, resulting in increased monetary power. Metal power will be monetized from the extensive research and development created by Merchant, while Asian Aerospace will help us increase our material power. Merchant has extensive knowledge in the know-how of machine power, as evident by its ability to produce a variety of products from industrial machinery to mining equipment. Manufacturing will be based on a global sourcing of parts, supplies, and services in order to ensure optimum availability of all that a pilot could need. This partnership will allow Aircraft Express to enter the Philippine market with minimal cost and exposure by utilizing partners' know-how, channels of communication, and cultural insights of the local market. As part of our Green Ocean strategy, Aircraft Express will work with the Philippines companies to customize products designed that can be sold in both the Philippines and back in the US market. We will use our partnerships in the US to sell items created by our partners and sell the products to local American aviation customers and stores. In addition, we will offer custom products designs for customers in North America, the Philippines, and internationally through established vendors and distribution channels. We will create deals and partnerships that empower other outlets to sell our products worldwide.
Hi everyone, my name is Brandon and I'll be going over the industry's rivalry and its current state by using Porter's 5 forces analysis. Porter's 5 forces analysis is a competitive analysis that determines an industry's competitive intensity and its attractiveness. The 5 forces analysis is composed of two threats: threat of new entrant and threat of substitutes. In addition, it has two powers: bargaining power of suppliers and bargaining power of buyers. Under a threat of new entrants, we take a look into the domestic aerospace manufacturing industry. It is estimated to be 0.15% of the country's GDP and is projected to be 0.57 in the year 2022. In addition, its exports will generate over 1.5 billion in 10 years. Moreover, government initiatives like Investment Priority Plan and organizational groups like Technical Working Group strive for building the industry by incentivizing investors and sorting out any issues or problems found in the industry. Therefore, there is an elevated risk of new entrants that are indirect or indirect competition with our potential partner due to current market conditions. Threats of substitutes. In the manufacturing parts, for example, in equipment, we see that there's three big players, one being MOOG and the other one BE Aerospace and Jamco. They each specialize in the development of different parts of the plane. And under bargaining power suppliers, we see that the Philippines in the supply chain is considered to be the parts producer. Therefore, their domestic market has an advantage of producing parts. However, they have other issues in their product value chain. For example, their raw materials. They import them from other countries, and this creates a delay in their abilities to supply. In addition, once products are done, they go to other countries like Singapore for special processing and chemical or metallurgic testing. Under bargaining powers of buyers, the selection from the part providers in the market varies from Tier 2 and Tier 1. However, buyers interested in high quality products and reliable suppliers go with the Tier 1 suppliers. For example, MOOG, BE Aerospace, and Jamco. The competition in the industry has areas that overlap, but companies decide to specialize in their certain products or services. Furthermore, the market growth with new investment opportunities could lead to new entrants in the market. Companies such as suppliers find themselves investing in R&D and machine and manufacturing technologies.
Under Porter's diamond analysis, demand conditions include the fact that the aerospace sector in the Philippines has a good deal of labor force, domestic commercial airlines, and a lot of suppliers that will help to grow in the area. Factor conditions include the fact that the labor force is very well trained and there's a great deal of growth amongst all these businesses. Supportive and related industries include companies like BE Aerospace, Jamco, and Moog that make a lot of the components and subcomponents that the company will need in order to grow and expand into other areas. Strategy, structure, and rivalry. In this case, there have been a lot of political issues and bad expenses that kind of helped to slow down some of the growth that could have been had under its potential. However, this still left them with that same very talented labor pool that we saw earlier. The government is actually very supportive of this growth, backing the expansion, and will have a lot of favorable policies for spruce when they expand into the area. And under chance, again, with so many entities that are all pushing towards growth and wanting to aid in the expansion of this industry, the prospects are very good for aircraft spruce.
Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Company can leverage its strategic partnerships with local Filipino firms to create a competitive advantage with sustainable profitability through added value and social impact in the Filipino market by satisfying consumer needs without compromising price, quality, or experience. A white ocean strategy will help Aircraft Spruce identify partnerships that will address how the company transforms technological growth through innovative linkages to enhance key success factors, as well as how the company will norm technological capabilities through global linkages to enhance key growth factors. The key objectives are to find partners that can 1. Expand its market within the Asian region, 2. Assist in providing innovative products more efficiently and at a lower cost, 3. Help increase market segments and provide products or services beyond Aircraft Spruce's scope, and 4. Provide network opportunities with industry-leading firms and government organizations, establish linkages to provide products and services to these partners, and allow market segment exploration not yet established. A partnership with Asian Aerospace Philippines to address the factor multipliers due to its vast network in the Asian region, multiple segments, and prestige brand reputation will allow Aircraft Spruce an opportunity to increase its presence within the local government and private aerospace sector, as well as an opportunity to partner and develop a new customized fleet utilizing Aircraft Spruce products. A partnership with Melchers Group to address the demand multipliers would allow Aircraft Spruce an opportunity to manufacture and provide products and services more cost-effectively and efficiently, providing the company easier access to overcome supply chain roadblocks. A partnership with Bombardier Inc. to address the complement multipliers would give Aircraft Spruce an opportunity to learn best practices to increase profitability while discovering alternative methods of operations that promote eco-friendly and sustainability growth. This partnership would also allow the company to discover new design techniques that could kickstart a new segment within alternative transportation industries. Finally, a partnership with Jamco Philippines would allow Aircraft Spruce to network with major stakeholders in the Philippine aerospace industry, secure strategic locations within Clark Air Base and Airport, and provide linkages to other products and services that are involved with the aerospace expansion projects.
In a yellow ocean analysis, product integrity can be found in a partnership with Jamco, whose rich network of suppliers can allow spruce to manufacture both in-country and out-of-country and yet keep costs down. Processing integrity can be found in a partnership with Melcher, whose expertise in the industry can help to apply best practices and ensure spruce's costs, again, remain down. For value integrity, a partnership with Bombardier, whose extensive consulting and connections can help to make sure that the name spruce gets around to all the important players and aid in the marketing process. And finally, under entity value, with all these partnerships, it will allow Spruce to partner with both suppliers and sell directly to the airlines themselves so that their customers can help control the flow of products.
Visioning, developing future effect, prime location. The Philippines fosters an exponentially vast environment for Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. to grow globally. Their strategic partnerships can be used with their local partners in the Philippines to create custom product designs that can be marketed and sold internationally. Philippine partnerships. Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. will work with Philippine companies to create custom product designs that can be sold in the Philippines, back in the US and other locations where it already has established vendors and distribution partners across the globe. As the global marketplace becomes increasingly adopted and integrated worldwide, we are beginning to observe countries and areas that specialize in niche industries internationally. For example, New World digital marketing power in the United States or innovative technological design and power in Asia. Visioning green ocean strategy scenarios. Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. will work with Philippine companies to customize product designs that can be sold in the Philippines and back in the US. Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. can use its partnerships with the US to sell items created by our partners and sell its products to local American aviation customers and stores. Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. will offer its own custom product designs to customers in North America, the Philippines, and internationally, where it has established vendors and distribution partners. Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. will create deals and partnerships that empower the other outlets to sell Aircraft Spruce and Specialty Co. products worldwide.